Alright, we are back for the final, for the 48-hour group build. And this is the AMT teevree dune buggy. And I gotta say, this thing is a blast to build. So, before we begin, let's show you guys the time of day. Okay, here it is. Move this out of my way. Watch out here, and it is 3:01. So there's that. So and here we are at the final. So like I said, this is a fun group build. Build a model in 48 hours, and it is totally possible to build any model in 40 hours. Except, the highly detailed ones, you don't want to do those. But just get yourself a cheap kit, something simple to build, and it can turn out pretty darn good. So alright, let's get to what I did to this little buggy. Alright, so the body color of the thing is the color shift Sea-Mist green. So I primed it in the gray primer, and I did gloss black over it. Only did one coat of gloss black. Then I did 3 coats of the Sea-Mist green, or the green copper, green copper over it, and that looks pretty good. So there's that. I did add a little detail right here in the back, like it acts like a bungee cord, so if you can carry some stuff, you will, put it there. I did go with the yellow headlights because I thought that looked pretty cool. This kit does come with tinted yellow glass, but I went ahead and used the tinted yellow headlights, and I went with the clear windshield, and I still have the clear headlights right here. Just kind of mix it up because it's a dune buggy. It's a weird looking thing, but it is pretty darn cool. I kept the factory chrome on the wheels. They're cool. I don't know why I like them so much, but I just went ahead and did a little black wash in there with the Tamiya panel on accent color, and that really stands out. The seats, 2 seats are semi-gloss black, just something simple. And the steering wheel I painted aluminum. Then I went ahead and did the black outline for the wheel part, so that looks pretty good. The engine was a blast to build. But the only thing I didn't like about it is it was molded in all chrome. Like basically the whole engine, like 98% of the engine was molded in chrome. So that's ridiculous. So I didn't like that, so I stripped it all. Used some purple power and stripped it right down, and I primed it. Then I painted all aluminum. And then I just did some detail painting with some copper and black and gunmetal and stuff like that. And I had to use some oil from what company is that? That is the MIG oil, fresh oil stain. So I had oiled it up a little bit because these dune buggy engines are not the shiniest engines in Loft. So I went and did that. And the chassis, I went ahead and did aluminum, just all aluminum, and this is a dune buggy, and I think I built it and stuff. I didn't want to do too much to it. I love how the AMT, I love how they did Goodyear wheels on the back and Firestone wheels on the front. That's just pretty cool. 2 different company brand tires on there, so that's pretty neat. So let's go ahead and stop this little guy and just put this onto the side. There we go. Like I said, like I mentioned, aluminum chassis, front and back, bottom and top, aluminum. And I love how this back suspension works with the engine and stuff. That is just so unique. That's pretty cool. And the engine just slides right in. It was a fun build. I did not have any issues, none. I didn't have a single fitment issue on this kit, which I'm so happy it didn't, because it is a fun build. But other than that, that is what I came up with the 40-hour build, and I think it turned out pretty darn good. So overall, this is a fun group build as always. If you joined this year, awesome! I can't wait to see what y'all built, how it all came out. And if you couldn't join this year, then I hope you can join next year, because it is a fun group build. It's, you know, just build any model in 40 hours and get it done, and it just looks good. But other than that, guys, I think that will do it for now. Until next year, until next year's 40-hour build, we'll put this on the side and start another build. Other than that, until next time, catch you guys later. Bye for now.